Video is one of the best forms of digital marketing that you can use in today's extremely digital world. If your company is not using this tool, you gotta get on it. Seriously. Hello everyone, I am Kelly Heffley, the Senior HubSpot Marketing Specialist with Hivehouse Digital. I have been on-screen talent for over 3 years now and also have been editing video for over a year. First of all, what kind of equipment do you have? You really don't need like a really expensive DSLR camera. You obviously can use one, but if all you have is your laptop camera or your smartphone like I'm using right now, you can use that too. You could even use a GoPro and strap it onto one of the office dogs and have he or she run around and showcase the office and culture. The most important things are good lighting, stabilization, height, and audio. Do you want to see this view? Do you? This is good, right? We're interacting and you feel like you can breathe. For the stabilization aspect, you can get a gimbal online that will attach to your smartphone. So as you move it, it'll be stable. Unless you're filming for TikTok or other short video content like Facebook or YouTube Shorts, you want to film in the horizontal landscape, like I'm currently doing right now. And don't forget to raise the settings on your camera to the highest quality possible before you film. All right. Background and audio. Don't have a messy bedroom behind you or anything else that will be really vibrant with colors and super distracting. Enough brand personality to showcase to your audience, like a brand logo behind you or on your shirt, or a nice looking office behind you. And around you, it's gotta be quiet. There have been so many times where I've been in the middle of filming a HubSpot tech tip, and then all 3 of my dogs go absolutely ham on the mailman, and I have to stop. If you mess up the audio or you have very vocal dogs, don't completely start over. Just pause, have enough time for the editor to cut that cleanly, and then continue. And please do not shove the mic right into your mouth, so it sounds like you're an airline. Have good lighting. There are some sets that you can buy online that will help you with this, or you can just go ahead and get a basic ring light, or you can use natural light, like I'm using right now. When you film, do multiple takes. As you can see here, I try at least 2 or 3 different takes. The inflection in your voice is going to change, or you could have a little more oomph in one take as compared to the others. So you want to give yourself or the editor plenty of options to work with. Again, don't pressure yourself for a perfect take, okay? Let's just leave that for the professional actors. And lastly, introduce yourself, speak to the viewer, and have a sign-off ready to go. Talk to the camera. It'll feel super awkward at first, but the more times that you do it, the less awkward it'll be. The sign-off is either giving a CTA like, go check out our digital marketing packages on our website, or something simple like, hope you found this content useful. Feel free to reach out if you have any other questions. Or it could be, toodles!